Hi guys, my name is Siphiwe, author of How I Aced Matric, Making Distinctions Fashionable. You can get a copy of this book at your nearest exclusive bookstore. I'm also a maths tutor, and this is my maths tutorial section. You can book your coaching or tutorial sections on 064 685 9475. Guys, distance is not an issue because my tutoring services are now available on WhatsApp video calling. So have no fear. In this video, I want to talk about the things that you need to know about mathematics, because there's this very big perception that your math is difficult, guys. So number one is that you need to know your BODMAS rule, which is a sequence of steps that one needs to follow when working with a mathematical function. Number two, you need to know how to work with signs. How do you add, multiply, subtract, and divide? You need to know how to work with fractions, what is allowed, what is not allowed. Number four, you need to know math notation. So each section will present itself with a different notation. What do they mean when they say an inverse? So that is a notation that you need to understand. Number five, you need to get into the habit of redrawing diagrams and labeling them, because that creates a better understanding of what you're trying to achieve in that drawing. Number six is that you need to understand principles that are presented at the beginning of each chapter. What is allowed, what is not. It's like the rules that govern that specific chapter that you need to also understand, and you need to create a summary of what those rules are. Number seven, you need to know your Cartesian plane. That is also a must. Number eight is that you need to know your maths vocabulary. You need to understand, what do we mean by parallel, what do we mean by congruent, what do we mean by translate or rotate. So you need to have an understanding, because these are some of the things that will come as an instruction in a test, and when you fail to understand that, it means you fail to attempt the question with chances of you getting it right. Number nine is that you need to be able to identify each variable as it comes. So when you work with the formula, each formula has a variable, or so on the scenario given, you need to be able to identify what is given to you and what is outstanding, which is what you more likely are going to be asked to solve. The last one, number 10, is that math has notes. Notes go mathematics, so you need to have notes that you'll be able to reference from, and I will do a separate video of the art of drawing, or the art of writing notes, which will share how do you write notes that you can easily reference from. So remember to share, to subscribe, to leave your comment, to ask questions. Don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done.